Yes.
Good. We're good to go.
Okay, leader. So I'm very sure, Noel, you are aware of this smart contract and whole blockchain thing, right? So
Okay.
Yes.
let's come to the uh, business plan presentation straight away, because these things you can read and you can make out what exactly it is. I would like to tell you one thing why Millards is different from other smart contracts till date. Because this is the question, it will cross your mind because everyone says that we are different, we are different. But in practical, what is real thing which is making difference? Because we all are selling in same boat, we all are from same industry, so there is no hidden thing. Let me explain you why Millards is different, why I find it unique, and why I have decided to go ahead with the Millards. Because in past 1 year, I have done so many smart contacts on really well, and I'm fan of smart contacts. First thing I liked is that $3, okay, which anybody can afford. Second thing, here it's not only smart contact, it's not only metrics, it is like they are rewarding leadership. They have ranks and rewards. If you reach at certain level of income, they have four ranks, which is very, very attractive. And Millards started on 22nd. So today, 5 days completed, community touching 5,000, and many people who became gold are earning passive income, $10 per day. First day they got $119, and then every day one average of 10 day, not less than $10 they have got till now. And I'm very sure with same ratio of business and same ratio of turning gold, people turning gold, they will keep getting somewhere between $5 to $10 passive income in a smart contract, which we never heard before. And here
Mm-hmm.
we have only 8 slots in all three matrices, and total slots in complete business value is $765. So we have seen smart contracts with huge value of slots. Here total 765, which I will explain you step by step. So here start with $3 BNB smart chain, okay, and blockchain is BNB smart chain. Currency is USDT, BEP20, and then gas fees in again BNB, since it is BNB Smart Chain. So $3 only, and practically gas fees what we are paying is $0.5, and for three slots in three matrices. Because here something more beautiful inside. When we will go further, I'll explain you. So here types of income, backbone matrix income for all. Why they used this word backbone? Because matrix is backbone for any smart contract. So you know there are three matrices x3, x6, x9. They have nothing to do about income with their numbers. Their numbers are based on Nikola Tesla 369 universal number, which is for uh, money, peace, and prosperity. So this is very powerful number. So they kept their matrices on this 369 number. So unlimited active, passive, recycle income, you know about it in all the three segment X3, X6, X9. And then unlimited spillover as well. Yes, of course. Then unlimited leadership ranking income. There are four ranks: Millards Gold, Millards Diamond, Millards Platinum, and Millards Emperor. Emperor is the biggest rank. So here 10% deduction is there when you are getting income. It is coming with 10% deduction, and this 10% is not any management fees or any withdrawal fees. They are adding this income into community distribution. That's why they say we are distributing 110%. So currency and network, I have already explained you. Business setting up cost is just $3. You can start this business with $3, and you can earn as like person who is buying 8 slot. You know how to do it. Same MetaMask Trust Wallet or any depth wallet of your choice, which you can handle easily, seamlessly. Registration process: when you are starting Melarts, you will have like $3, and these $3, $1 will go in X3, X6, X9. But what happens in all the matrices, you can choose whether you want to go for X3, X6, X9. Here, second slot also will be distributed in the same manner. $2, $2, $2. You must buy in all three matrices. Then third slot, $4 is also $4, $4, $4, $4, like this. Okay. So I will explain that also. Project breakdown, I told you X3, X6, X9, three matrices. Now they have 8 slots. This is common in every matrix. Uh, every matrix have 8 slots: $1, $2, $4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 122. Second one is double, then first one, and in price and income also. This is 4, so it is double of 2 in price as well as income. So simultaneously, it goes up to 128. Now, how X3 matrix works? This is 3 by 3 matrix. You have 3 directs and they have their 3 directs. Total 12 members. First 3, whether it is introduced by you or they came from your upline or left or right or spillover, since they are sitting in your home, they are paying you rent of 40%. And remaining 40% is going to your upline. So distribution in matrix 80%. Okay, 20% is going into ranks and rewards. These 9 people out of 9, 7 people are again paying 40% to their upline and 40% to you. Now you are upline supply. And these two are recycling, buying this lot again for you so that you can earn again and again. So bottom line is, in this matrix where total 12 members, 10 members are paying you 40%, means 400% profit. These two are rebuying for you. This is how it works, X3. And here it is profit table. They are showing like serial number, then slot value $1, profit $4, next slot $2. So earning like this till 128, 512. Next slot you don't need to buy, and then it is 512. But they made total slot value $255, made profit 1020. You minus whatever you have put from your pocket. Okay, 254 is just for example, but for example, you have bought 2 slots, so you just minus 2 and plus 1, $3, and your profit will come. Now, X6 matrix, same slots, $1, $2 to 128. Total slot value in this matrix also 255. Slots 8. And the same principle. The second one is double of first one in price as well as income. How this matrix works, X6. This is 2 by 2 matrix. You have 2 below you, they have their 2, and their 2. Total 14 members. First 2, same principle will be followed here, whether they are introduced you or if they came from somewhere else in the form of a spillover from your upline or maybe here and there. So they are going to pay you 10% rent if they are at your level 1. From your level 2, you are getting 20% rent, and from your level 3, there are 8 people, but out of 8 people, 6 people are paying you 50% rent, and these 2 are again rebuying it for you. Why? Because you need to pay that slot value only once in lifetime. And then every time, till unlimited time, you are going to get slot again and again from the system itself, right? So this is the table, and see, these table are only for one profit cycle. If you are completing this cycle again and again, means this profit is again and again. So serial number, same slot value, profit, next slot, and earning. Same way you can see here. and calculate your profit accordingly, whatever you have put from your pocket. So this is also more or less 350 to 400%. Now X9. See, this is again something exponential, mind-blowing, and different in this project. This is passive income matrix. This is X9. Slots are same, 8 slots. Now, this is called bomb. This matrix is giving so much income now. We have X9, so U plus 10 level. You have 10
Hello.
level. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. You below 3, there are below you, it's 3 people. Don't see these two. This is just for projection because place is not there. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is 81. 81 into 3 is 243. 243 into 3 is 729. 729 into 3 is 2187. 2187 into 3 is 6561. And 6561 into 3 is 19683. And 19683 into 3 is 59049. So at your level 1, you have 3 people. Level 2, you have 9 people. Like this, 10 level. Total member 88,572. So everyone, each member from here, 3 giving you 8%, 9 giving you 8%. Each person is giving you 8%. And this is totally passive. Okay. And they all will give you 88% up to level 10. If we add this 59049, this and all, so this 88,572 number will come. Now I'll explain you how much you have got from this matrix. My goodness, this is too huge and that too passive. People started getting income in X9 and trust me, whole day it is drizzling dollars. So total 8 slots, slot value $1, $2 and all. First slot, if you complete one cycle, 7,085. If you complete second cycle, double of it. Right? Like this, last cycle is 900,000. Total is $1.8 million. If you complete one cycle of this matrix, and person who will complete one cycle will be a fortunate, and definitely someone will complete for sure over the period of time, not someone, there are so many people, because once we have more than 100,000 people in community, certainly someone is going to fill up the matrix. Top people will fill up. But forget about filling up. If you are getting income from your level wise, it is whole day income is coming little, but it is there. So that way here 3,557x or 355,700% you are earning from X9 only from one cycle. And this is something mind-blowing, something huge, and this is unique. This also makes Millard so unique. Now, total distribution, this is very important, 110%. 10% came from that withdrawal deduction. I told you they are adding this 10% into community distribution. So total, if you are putting 100, means 10% they are adding from that withdrawal. So creator is taking 5% straight away. Okay. And creator 5% is not like he's saying I'll give it to community, whatever. It is his money. He will take his own decision. But since he made this smart contract, he decided to keep 5%, and I'm very happy about it. Why? Because people who don't take money and who are depend on their first ID, second ID, they find out many ways inside to steal your money. And they says we are decentralized, and even they stopped looking at the project its development, its growth after saying we are not getting anything. So here, if creator is taking 5%, means he will take care of this project like his baby, as he says every time in his videos. 5% is going in Millard's gold, 5% is going in Millard's diamond, 5% Millard's platinum, and 10% Millard's emperor, 80% matrix. Okay. So for example, you are putting $100 here. So $5 will go to gold, $5 will go to diamond, $5 will go to platinum, and $10 will go to emperor. $80 will go to matrix, and $5 will go to creator for 100%. Okay, 110%. This is 110%. The 10% came from withdrawal deduction. Now, the whole gold ranker will share this 5% pool. Whole diamond ranker will share this. They will share 5% of gold and 5% diamond. If you are platinum, you are sharing 15%, 555. If you are emperor, you are sharing all four pools, means you are taking 25% share. Like part of that 25% share. It will be equally distributed to the qualifiers. Now, terms and conditions are for these ranks. If you want to achieve gold rank, you must have 3 slots and you must have three directs of three slots, and your earning should be $500. You will become Millards Gold. Now, Millards Gold people are earning constantly $10 passive income daily. That is passive income that will come daily. It is distributing once in 24 hours, and we are enjoying it, we are loving it. I am emperor. I'll tell you about my income. Now, Mila's diamond. Here you must have 5 slots and you must have 5 directs of five slots in all three business segments. Okay, and your earning should be $2,000. So you will become diamond. Now you will enjoy 5% plus 5%, 10% of total pool. Okay. If you are Millard Diamond, this time Millard Diamond is getting $28 per day, almost $28. Yes, we can see in the Telegram, they announce every day. Now, Millard's Platinum, you must have 6 slots and you have 6 direct of six slots, and your income should be $5,000. This income will count whether it is spillover, whether it is matrix income, whatsoever. If it is hitting your wallet, means you are eligible. Emperor, you must have 8 slots, total 8 slots are there, and you must have 8 directs of eight slots, and your earning should be more than $10,000 or 10,000. And here I am the emperor. I became emperor first day, and first day we have won $951 because business was huge. Then every day we are getting average income of $100 at emperor rank. That is absolutely passive income. So these ranks are making Millard so unique. And here we don't have any condition that you have to refer this much, then only you will earn. You can, even if you are coming with $3 and you are earning $10, $20, it's directly coming to your wallet without any condition. So in Millards, you can work without condition. Just ranks have some criteria. Otherwise, there is no condition at all. Here we have slots, like total 8 slots, $1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, like this. So here you have to purchase in all three matrices together. You don't have option to choose. So first slot will be $3, second slot will be $6, third slot will be $12. If you have $12, then only you can buy 3 slots, third slots. Fourth slot will be $24, fifth 48, like this, total 765. If you buy one slot, it is $3. If you buy 1 and 2, it is $9. If you buy 1, 2, and 3, it is 21. If you buy 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 45. Like this, if you buy all 8 slots, it is 765. So total slot value in all three segment is 765. That is once for lifetime. And you don't need to buy it again. Now, Millard's roadmap. They don't have any roadmap. They says our smart contract is only our roadmap, and we will build this for 2025. We will have 2 million members, and their roadmap is, and 25, 26, they will have 3 to 4 million. And here 2026, 27, they are planning to have 10 million members, and they will work towards it. Now, the same 5% creator fund, they will use for community building as well, community growth as well. Although they don't have any roadmap, but it doesn't mean they have nothing to give you. They will give you surprise on time to time. And Millard is very important point related to our business. Millard is very powerful business platform which allows you to earn without the deadline of the slot. In any smart contract, I don't see any condition, but here also there is no condition at all. You can like if you stopped working, if after 1 year, if you start again, you can start from the same place. There is no slot expiry or nothing, and unlimited time of recycle. There is no locking on recycle. You only invest one time and you get income unlimited time, as I told you before. Estimated profit table shows profit only one cycle. Okay, and that profit you will earn again and again if you are recycling again and again. Every time when you recycle, you will be following your original appliance table. Okay, where the space is available in any level as per matrix structure, in all the slots in all three business segments. Yes, we know that. Uh, if you have a smaller slot in Millards, but if you refer someone with the slot higher than your own, or you own, you will miss the profit from partner in this cycle. This profit will pass on to your upline. We all knows that. This is general condition. And but in another cycle, if you are already upgraded, then he will follow you, your table only. Okay. It doesn't mean that if once it is gone to upline, you lost that. The person will follow you in second cycle onwards. Then this is most important point. This is why again very unique and powerful metrics, because when you are doing registration, you have seen that $1 all three metrics. Now, second slot is also in all three metrics. Like this, we are going to fill 8 slots in all three matrices together. Okay. And uh, X9 matrix is absolutely passive, non-working, passive income matrix. You must be thinking from where I will bring those 88,000 people. But if you are seeing in Millard's community 5,000 means all 5,000 are in three matrices because they don't have choice. So simultaneously X9 will also fill up, right? You will also get income, and hence it is passive income matrix because everyone who is inside the system is sitting in all three business segment. This is most powerful thing. Means if you are buying one slot, you are giving income to three people. It is going at three places, X3, X6, X9. This is the reason Millard is getting very, very popular these days. These days means only 4 days of launching, but yes, Millards is getting very popular because people are getting very, very huge income. So total slot value in all three business segment only $765, which you need to spend only one time. 10% deduction from the withdrawal is into distribution to the community, as I told you. 5% creator fund will go to straighten the business for a very long time. Means creator will uh, do something really, really, right now they have announced Bali trip, Indonesia, of first 100 emperor. They are inviting Bali, and they gave time of 22nd November to 20th January. Let's see how many will achieve by the time. Domain registered for 10 years. No one registered their domain for not 10 years, it is for lifetime premium category. GoDaddy, they have paid $10,000 only to register this domain, milas.io. And no one did it before for 10 years. So this shows the intention of the creator. They want to run it for long, otherwise no one is stupid enough to pay 10,000 if they don't want to run the show. Multilingual PDF and everything is there on the website. International business webinar we are having, English and other languages. 24/7 customer care WhatsApp channel is there. You can message here. They will answer you if you have any query. Then this is website, millards.io, Telegram, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you. Thank you very much. Is there any question? Hello.
Thank you
Mr.
so
Noel,
yes. Thank you so much for the lovely and the awesome presentation.
Welcome.
And was brilliant.
Thank you.
Well, so a few questions from you.